How to fade in and fade out video in CapCut. If any day you would like to fade in and fade out a video in CapCut but do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch the CapCut application on your mobile device. For this, you have to search the very CapCut application on your mobile device. After you search the very CapCut application on your mobile device and find it, you have to tap on the very CapCut application. After that, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the very application, very project which you would like to change or which you would like to edit, fade in and fade out. After that, you have to go to the option of effects like this and go to the option of the video effects. After you tap on the very video effects like this, you have to go to the option of opening and closing. After you find the option of the opening and closing, you can search the very option of the fade in and just download it, and you can remove the or you can add the very option of the fade in. Likewise, you can also go to the next option, that is fade out. In order to go to the option of fade out, you can search fade out on the very option out there. After you search the fade out option there, you can search the very option of the fade out, and just you can also put on the option of the fade out by going to the video effects and just putting on the fade out effects like this, and this way you can just fade in and fade out your video on the very CapCut account out there. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.